Okay, so that should be working. Don't really want to advertise my stream keys though. Oh, there we go. That's working. Probably have this over here. Oh, that'll be why. I'm going to say whatever right now. Okay, cool. Put this here, this here. Okay, so I'm still waiting for that asset to download really. I kind of started the stream a bit early, but that's fine. Means I can test the audio, I guess, maybe. Okay. So yeah, don't mind me. I've started the stream before it's actually ready. If I'm honest, I might just quickly go to the. Be right back. It's still only half set up as well, but that's fine. Just while I get ready. But yeah, if there is anyone there, so basically what I'm going to be doing today, for a while now I've been playing around with Unity, and I don't know, I can't really go the full mile and complete a game, but I tend to do some pretty cool stuff in there, and you know, Unity isn't that difficult. It's pretty easy just to get things done. To create a fully fledged game, it's a bit more, but you know, if you're just looking to actually build some shit that you can, well, build off, I guess, it's not that difficult. And today I'm going to show you how, and who knows, maybe it will give me the motivation to actually see something through to the end, because I mean, I'm more than capable of doing it. I tend to kind of get bored and stop before I finish a project. I'll get so far and then just kind of fizzle out, you know. So let's see if I can actually make something. I want to make the most basic of basic things I can make, just so that I can have it done. Hey, Godly Man, you changed your name. Yes, I have changed my name. To be honest, if I'm really honest, I wasn't even going to stream on Twitch originally. But I logged into Streamlabs. I was just going to stream to YouTube, but then I because I signed in with Twitch, it wouldn't let me stream to YouTube on its own. I had to stream to Twitch as well, but I figured what's the harm in streaming to both? There's no harm. So I just left it. Oh, I just gotta go close the door quick. I will be right back. Or as it says, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, Godly, my original stream as you knew it is officially over. I'm still going to be doing stuff, but I'm not going to be doing any of that stuff anymore. I didn't really like where it was going. I didn't like where my Discord was going. I didn't like where all of it was going, to be honest, so I just put an end to it. Yeah, that's cool, man. You study. Tests are important. You study away. I'm just going to be messing around here anyway. I am going to be creating another Discord, but it's going to be a bit different. It's going to be less a community of gaming and streaming. It's going to be more focused around development and you know, the sorts of stuff that I'm genuinely interested in. Like, don't get me wrong, I play games just as much as anyone else, but as far as doing it as like a job or streaming, I don't think it's really me. I think I'm much more into sort of the development side. I was just looking at my YouTube stream, what's a concurrent viewer? Is that just a viewer? How many viewers are watching the stream at each second? Okay, I think that's me anyway. It says I've got one concurrent viewer, I think that's me. It says I've got a couple on Twitch right now. That's fine. As I said, I wasn't even going to stream on Twitch originally. Just kind of happened. So I'm literally just waiting. I got 20 seconds. I'm just downloading an asset right now. It's going to take me about another 20 seconds. And then I'm going to install that, and then I'll be good to go. Let's close down these mods I've got open. So yeah, I haven't planned what I'm going to do today at all. Like, I have no idea what I'm going to build. If I end up getting anyone in chat, YouTube or Twitch that has anything in mind, let me know. Maybe I'll look into that. Otherwise, I'm just going to decide on the spot. The one thing I do need though, or want, is like some kind of starting area, some kind of arena, which I'm going to build from. You know, whatever I decide to do, I can build up from there. It's not a big deal. So let's go over then to the main. Hopefully this asset works. Sometimes you get these assets and they just don't. So hopefully it does. I'm not going to be explaining everything in massive detail. I'll explain enough just to kind of explain why I'm what I'm doing, but otherwise, you know, I'm going to assume that anyone watching has at least very, very basic Unity. As in, like, you know, I'm not going to tell you where the inspector is, what the hierarchy is, or, you know, things like that's stuff which I assume you'll already know, or if not, there's a million other videos you can find that crap on. I don't really need to go over that. What I'm doing is a bit more bespoke, a bit more specialized today. It's so I've learned Unity over the last 7-8 years, or to be more accurate, I learned C# over the last 7-8 years, and through that time, every now and then I pick up Unity and just have a play on it and see what I can do. And over time, you know, I was getting better and better. But right at the very start, what I would do is I would look up a Unity video, how to make an RPG game, or how to make a hack and slash game, or whatever other tutorials they've got out there on YouTube, and I'd start creating these games. And then it'd get to a point where, you know, you get so far in the tutorial that you think, right, I want to go off and do my own shit now. Or you'd finish the tutorial and it's like, right, well, now I want to do something else. And you kind of wouldn't have a clue how to do it. And do you know why? It's because learning through tutorials is bad. You don't want to take a tutorial. What I'm doing right now is not a tutorial on how to make an RPG game or any of that shit. I mean, they can help just to learn kind of systems and things. But ironically, I'd say you want to do that after you already kind of know what you're doing. Otherwise, the systems don't make sense and you don't know why you're implementing these systems, and they're just, they seem more complicated than they need to be. That's all shit that you'll get naturally when you know how to do it. So there's no point having tutorials for Unity. You are much better off just doing exactly what I'm going to be doing as soon as this asset's finished importing. I should probably check real quick. Oh God, my wife's here. Hey babe. Huh? What? There's no one here. Okay. Whenever this finishes loading anyway. Assets can take a while. I wonder as well, I don't actually know, does this get saved to YouTube after? I assume it does. I would hope so. But if not, that's fine. Okay. Finally, we've got our scene. Just stick it in the bin, Jen. Alright. Alright, then. Okay. It's kind of crap, but it'll do. It's an arena, I guess. The detail ain't too bad on it. We'll leave it as it is. Well, the hierarchy and everything at the moment, I'm not sure where I really want it, but Yeah, I guess this will do. Just as a starting. I think it's modular. Yeah. So you can like change it, extend it and stuff. We've got all the little seats. Places to stand or other. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is kind of pack this away. If I create an empty object, call it scene, just take everything here, Control A, move it all into here. Should keep the same positions and everything, but with them all. Yeah, just do this. Alright, go back to my empty scene. I don't want to work from here. Go back to my sample scene. Paste this, it should work. I'm pretty sure I've done that before, copy from scene to scene like that. Yeah, there we go. Although I think some of it might have lost its. No, just lighting. Okay, it looks weird like that because the lighting's all fucked up. I remember seeing this before. I can't remember exactly. I know it's something you have to do on the scene. Just not that. Textures, meshes, prefab shaders. Might be the shaders. Let's have a quick look at that scene again. Oh, that's that's like someone's town, I think. It's kind of nice, really. Okay, fuck it. I'll just do it from here. It really doesn't matter. I've not really done anything yet anyway, so let's just create an empty. We'll just have this one be seen. So I don't actually know what I'm gonna make yet. It says I've got a few viewers. Any of you know what I should make? I think the first thing I should make is a character. I don't know yet if this is going to be a mobile game. Probably not if I'm going to be using these. So it'll probably be a computer game, but it could be like an online IO game, multiplayer game, local multiplayer, online multiplayer, like an arena-based game where you fight each other. FPS game, first person, third person. I really don't know. I don't think it matters right now. I mean, maybe I could do all of those. All of those, like, give you options. Let's make a person first, real quick. I don't want to spend too much time on this, so just quickly. Why is it not moving? It's supposed to move when I use the middle drag, but it's not. Oh, there we go. Now it is. Kind of. I think my DPI settings are messing me up a bit. Let me change that. Let's try that. One thing I definitely want to do, whatever type of game I make, it doesn't matter, is I want to make destructible objects. It's still not. When you use the middle mouse button, it should be dragging me around. It's not for some reason. Okay, that's a bit better. So yeah, create a quick person, so we'll just make this a bit bigger. Give it eye. So these are all just cubes. So we got, oh, this must be head, body, eye. So if this is the head, stay there for now. This is the body. Make it a bit fatter. We'll make this an eye. Let's not do that. Let's copy that one instead. Bit of a big eye, but probably turn off shadows in a minute as well. Okay. Eye left. That's the left eye. Needs to be smaller still. Okay, so I've done. This eye right. There we go. Little basic person, nothing crazy. Let's make that head a bit shorter though. It's a bit big there. Cool. That'll do. Oops. It's actually cool. That looks good. So again, we'll create an empty, move it out of there. Person. Okay, I'm going to stick this in its own folder, person. Because I want to also make a, I can't remember how, material, I think. Yeah. And then we can, isn't that what you do? So why is it? There we go. That'll do for now. And what I'll do is, as far as like weapons go, whether it's guns or swords or whatever, I'll just kind of have it float away from its hand slightly, kind of like Rayman's hands. If you know the game Rayman, the way his hands kind of float outside his body a bit. That's how I'm probably going to have the swords or weapons or guns or whatever I decide to do here work. So we just kind of float, and then I'll have a little bit of body moving animation just to give it that feel. Maybe I could add some legs. I'll do that later. So, okay. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Come back, come back. How do I get out of here? I can't even remember. That's how. I think I'm going to extend this because these are really not that long, are they? I feel like I ain't got any room. There you go. That'll do. Doesn't have to be perfect either way. Oh my god, is that really? That's bloody baby's toy plane. That's so typical. Where are those bits? There they are. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, just taking all the pieces out. Do you know what I really need is play some music. Nothing crazy. Utopia. Okay. that's better. Turn it down a bit. Alright. Nah, that's not right. It needs to come way more back a bit. And the rotates. In fact, it should be more. Yeah, more like that. It's a bit better, not quite. So rotate that more. I guess that'll do for now, it's not great. So what I think I might do is have the character move around, just click and then run around to right click, and people come in, so I'll be able to click on a bit like Diablo style, and then I'll just add like some abilities and stuff. Actually, I do. Oops. That's nice, it made it for me. Okay, so if input dot get mouse button down 0, which is the left, then we're gonna have a raycast hit from the main camera. I should probably put that in it, so I mean, I don't want to use camera.main every time, so we'll have camera, main camera, and then on the start we'll just say main camera equals camera.main. That'll be a bit better. the same. Pretty sure. Let's just check that. Yeah, okay. So now it keeps its Y position at least. Now we need it to actually obviously walk, not teleport. So we don't want to just set the new position. I'm pretty sure we can do like a transform dot lot. No. Just check. Google this shizzle. Transform position. Look. So this, I suppose I'll show you what I'm doing. Looking up in the document, see what I've got to do here. So we got oh, okay, so this is the number of frames. So we want vector free.lerp. But then where does that, what's this elapsed frames? So it's not a good example, I'm sure I'll find a better one. Transform position equal vector free lerp position. Do we want to go to? Oh, that's our current position. That's the position we want to go to, and then our speed. Okay, that's fine. I'll just copy that little snip. So that's fine. Or do I need to include something? No, because we've used vector free already, haven't we? I thought. Might be because of that. Yeah, so that's our position, the position we want to go to, which in this case is hit.point. Or we could use the new position that we made. You know what? I don't see the point in that. Like, I needed that because the snippet I was reading from had it, but I don't see the point of it. But let's give ourselves, I'll just make it private in for now, speed 5. I don't know what is a good speed for lerping. That's actually not going to work. I just realised here we need a new, in fact I'll just copy. Oh, this is why we did it. Get a new position, new vector free. Okay. So now we've got lerp from our position to the new position over that amount of frames. So this should be a bit better now. Should move there instead of teleporting now if we're lucky. If it's ever gonna do it, no. Oh no, no, it's not doing anything. Okay, I broke it. That's fine. It's all part of the fun, I guess. Transform position to our new position, which we set. Oh, I haven't set this. That'll probably be why. New position equals hit.point. There we go. That'll probably be why. Play that. Still nothing. Maybe the speed's just. Hang on a minute. Do you know what I haven't done? Oh no, I have times. Let's make this public then, and we'll try this a different way. It might just be the speed. I might need a really high speed to make this work. because I am also timesing it by time.delta, which kind of, whenever you use speeds and stuff, you do that. I can't even remember why. I think it's just to kind of to make it so that they all kind of sync up, so you don't kind of get movements outside. It's still not moving. Why is it not moving? Weird. Alright, let's look at that. Oh, hey, Desync. How you doing, man? Nah, I'm not really... I was really enjoying them, but I'm not really feeling them anymore. But I appreciate it though, man. I really did enjoy those D&D sessions. They were pretty fun. I don't think anyone else was into it as much anyway. But cheers for showing us that. Yeah, I mean, I enjoyed the sessions. They weren't really an issue. Playing with. But otherwise, nah, it was a lot of fun. XYZ. So why does this not tell this? I'm obviously doing something very wrong here with this lerp. I need to find don't get me wrong, I already know what I could use. I could use, if I can remember what they're called. I haven't used Unity for a while. A rigid body, I think that was it. But I don't want to use a rigid body. I wanted to do it. I mean, I could use one, but I wanted to do it more through lerping. Yeah, I thought I could do that as well. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Wait, 0. 0 is left mouse. I'm not. Yeah, no, because it was teleporting earlier. That's definitely fine. The lerp method gives you a point that is a fraction of the way along a line between the start and end point. The fraction is supplied as a third parameter. If the fraction is 0, then the position is at the start of the line between the 2 points, and a fraction of 1 would be at the end of the line. In your case, it's always the same, so the position never changes. Okay. Start is this vector free. Destination is his web destination. Transforms. Yeah, see, that should be fine. See what the issue is there. It's basically doing the same thing, except I'm using array, which we already know works because I teleported a bit earlier. Let's at least I can't remember how to write a message in this game. I think it's just message. It's not console log in Unity. That's it, it's been a while. Oh, it's debug.log in Unity. Just double check that is actually working, which I'm pretty sure it is. Should give me a hit. Just clear that. Yeah, so we're definitely getting hit. Oh, that's interesting. Oh no, it is. It's just stacking them up. I thought it's only given us one then. Alright, so it's definitely hidden anyway. So it's this lap that's not working. Let's find it a better way then. Unity transform position. Oh, that's interesting. It's actually calculating it for a timer. I've never seen it done that way. I don't think it would be a good way to do it. I mean, maybe. Is that actually a function? Move towards current target. So current would be transformed dot position. The target would be our new position. Speed. Let's try that instead. See if that works. Supposed to work. Oh, right. Maybe I'll have to do it for a rigid body. Oh, let's use now my shading. I don't want that. That's what I already do, yeah. Okay, we do some of that. So first just get the direction, which I would do by getting my new position, taken away my my position, taken away the new position. And then we normalise it. I don't actually know what the normalise does, but you can calculate the velocity for the character using the direction. Okay, so we take the direction. We've already got a speed variable, so let's just copy and paste that. Then use this velocity according to character dot position, so we transform dot position. Okay, that makes sense.
You know, it's something that truly exists.
Transform dot position equals plus equals.
This is what I believe, and
velocity
I'm willing to
times.
die for it. Period.
Jump right, alright, just because what's that? Alright, let's give that a go. See if that's finally... I reckon this will work. That makes sense what it's doing. Fingers crossed. Speed might be a bit low. It's definitely doing something here. Oh. Alright, let's restart that. What the hell? Alright. Firstly, it's not even going towards my... It's going away, and also it's not doing it. It's just moving once per click. So what I'll have to do...
I want to represent an idea. I want to represent possibilities.
While
I want to represent the idea that
transform the
you
position.
can make what you want. One of my favorite books is The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, and that's just, I just believe that. I believe that I can create whatever I want to create.
Although it's still wrong anyway, this direction's wrong. Transforms, we're taking their position, we're taking our position. We're removing their position. But that's... I'm trying to wrap my head around this. Let's try that. So I actually think this is going to get stuck in a loop, especially if it runs the wrong way. But it might give me an idea of what's going on. Unity's frozen. Oh, I knew I should have done that loop. That was really bad. Bad. That was really bad. I'll probably have to restart Unity now. Hopefully I haven't lost all the work I've done, which is, to be fair, not actually that much. I broke my Unity. I don't... Right, I'll have to restart Unity. It's crashed. I can't uncrash it. First won't be the last time. Oh, look at that, I lost my scene unless it's still saved in here. It is still saved in here, cool. That's good. Alright, point and click movement, let's just try this. I might just see, these using the nav mesh agent. I don't want to use that. Really? You can, but I don't want to use that. I want to do it a different way. Oh, to a screen point, which is the mouse's current position. Hit. I don't know why he's put that there. If raycast hit, then move equals true. Wanted position equals the hit position plus the vector. He's adding 30 to y, or setting the y to 230. Or no, he's adding 30. Don't know why. If move true, which it will be because he's just clicked, then he's gonna look at the wanted position. It should be called target position. Stupid naming. And then we're gonna translate that by moving. We're already looking at the position we want. Then we're gonna move forward to by this speed. And then if our vector free distance from our position to our wanted, or should be target position, is less than 0.01, then we'll set move back to false. Yeah, I like it. That should work. We can do that. I've already got half of that right anyway, I think. I just need to, instead of this, get rid of all this. I already know it's here, I don't need a log there anymore. So we need a boolean. Call it something better. What he's done is moving. It's better than just move, because you always want to put is, and your balls ideally is moving, is this. It's just kind of good practice to follow, so we're going to set it to true like he did. So his move is now true because we hit. Although we'd actually probably want to add logic here for movement, you know, make sure not collision, etc. Although we might do that through the physics anyway. So whatever, but yes, it's because I've been using F#, it's true. And then we're gonna need a new vector 3, although we've already got that here actually. New position equals here dot point, which we're already setting, so I'm done. Which is what that's basically doing. And then he's gonna have he's got a separate function here, which I'm gonna steal. Myself, okay. So hopefully that's gonna do something now. Well, all my main camera positions are all messed up for some reason. And my scene's in the wrong place. And I've got no person. I should still have it in here actually. Yep. So I can actually get rid of that. Move that. Should have the script on it. It doesn't. Let's add the script. Let's adjust this main camera. It's all messed up. Fucking alright, so hopefully this will move around now. Oh, almost. It's looking. It's facing the direction. The Y is moving though, so we'll have to freeze that, but otherwise it's a good start. Look out, so why is it not? Oh, do you know what that might be, actually? Maybe it is working. Might just have to make this a bit faster. Yeah, look, there you go. It's actually moving a bit now. It's not moving in the way I want it to, but it's... Actually, no, I think it is. Do you know what the problem there is? It's maybe I won't say that, do I? Let's try 50. Huh. Interesting. Well, I already know what new vector 3. That might have something to do with it. Don't think that should matter. Oh, I just hit 5. Have it from development. The most confusing part, although what you can see now is it's not changing its rotation, which is good. This is moving every time I click though. It should be continuously moving because oh, I see the problem. This needs to come out of here. There we go. That should work now. Yeah, you can see what's working. Kind of. There we go. And it should stop. No. Okay. Debug.log distance is. I wonder if I can use this here actually. I don't suppose I can. Alright, I'll just do it the old fashioned way. I might have to. Oh, I thought I might have had to cast it. It's clever though, I don't have to. I can just do it. I should stop. Also, look, our distance for some reason it's on like. For some reason it gets to about 2.5. Why is it? Oh, I've gone. Vector 3 target position X transform dot position Y target position dot Z transform, sorry, not target. To be honest, I don't need to do that there. it's only this one. And also it's a new vector 3. That's why it was erroring. Target position X and then transform dot position dot Y and then target position dot X, Y, Z. Get rid of that. Actually, I'll close that. I'm confused. What? This should. What have I? What have I done? Target position. What have I done? I've done something dumb. Yeah, what? Target position just a vector 3. Yeah. So new vector 3. And then we close off the distance. There. Yeah, I don't know why that was being weird. And that's actually supposed to be that. I don't know if that'll make a difference to my weird distancing. For some reason was ending at like 2. It might just be because of the depth, because... Yeah, no. Huh. What? I mean, it's working. Oh no. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's working. That's it. It's working now. It was because of the Y was messing up. The Y-axis. So let's increase this for fun. Let's just. Oh yeah, look at that movement. All right, I like it. Obviously, I need some collision on there, but that'll be easy enough to do. Alright, let's just save quick in case I crash again. End up losing it all again. Okay, let's get this game camera a bit better because it looks trash right now. That do? It looked better before it crashed, but There's a few there that I don't care that much about. So I've got move in, I guess I'll do like an attack. In fact, let's change this. I don't like it like this. Let's move this. Return false if we don't want to move. If we're still moving, and return true. Let's call it player movement actually. And then if player movement is false, then it's no longer moving. So we can say if not player movement, then there we go. So this way, movement is so attacking will pretty much be the same. The difference will be obviously the movement, but otherwise the logic, I guess it will pretty much do exactly the same. I don't know how I'm going to work collision into this yet. I don't think it matters yet. I can add that later. So yeah, that'll be the same, but it'll be input. Do I get mouse button down 1, which is the right mouse button. Oops. Raycast here. Ray equal main camera dot screen pointer ray input dot position. Just copy paste that bit. Accept. Add. Now, I could. Depends how I'm going to attack, really. I might do a combination of melee and ranged weapons, so the attack will still be handled the same. Which will have to be decided based on the weapon, so I'll need another class, a weapon class, and all the logic for the attacking will have to be done there. Or at least yeah, I guess a private pool, send attack. If it's attacking, then send attack. Otherwise, actually, I don't know if that's gonna work so good. Maybe I don't need that. Maybe I can literally just send an attack here instead. I think that'd be better. So what kind of attack should I do? I could do like a gun, like a ball, like a magic spell, like a swing of an arm or a weapon. Mouse button, it's not working again. Why is my middle mouse button not working? It's supposed to be scrolling, it's not. Oh, you don't know how annoying that is. I can't move around if I can't use the middle mouse button. Jesus Christ. It's scrolling, but there we go. Piece of shit. It's not a good sword, but there we go, very basic sword.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Killen. I have my own medical practice, and I've been using Doodly now for a few weeks to create these really fun videos to share with patients, prospective patients on social media.
Hi.
Shh. Thank you. Why is the rotation like that? It's obviously way too big. Rotates weird. the hell just happened there? Why the hell is it doing that? All the scaling's changing when I put it on. It shouldn't be doing that. Should it? Okay, I'll have to do it from here then. I guess. That's probably the problem. Why is it doing that? All the scaling and everything's changing when I put it on. That's retarded as fuck. Now if I move around, it should run around with his little sword. Although it's not right, it's almost. I also just realised he's walking back. I put his eyes around. Probably part of the confusion. So let's change a boy for those. Would have been alright otherwise. Wait, no, you're not. Let's try that then. There we go. So, So, as for the attacking, well, I've got a few choices for the attacking. I can either have it swing using like an animation, or I can have it manipulate the object itself in code. I think ultimately animation's probably better, but I'm not like an animationist or whatever you'd call it, I don't know. So I'll probably do it in code. So I'm gonna have to grab this object and then change its so that's what it's going to want to do. I'm going to want to swing it. I'm going to want to move it along its x-axis, increase it. The problem is this whole thing's so kind of... I think it's because I didn't zero everything out before. Look, the blade's got a completely different scale to everything else. Oh wait, no, I think that was because of the, no, actually that was fine. I'm not sure why it's being all like this. Because it's going to need to kind of move. Maybe let's just remake it. It's not like I spent a long time on it. It took me like 5 seconds. It's not a very good sword. It's done it to this one as well. What the hell? Look, it's all squashed it. Maybe if I just build it in the fucking in here, because something screwy is going on, man. I don't know what. Just make this like, yeah, all the scales are different. I'm not even gonna pretend to know why. I don't know. It's like not even. If I do 4 and 4, you'd think it'd be have the same width, the same length, and the same depth, but it doesn't. It's really weird. It must have something to do with this. Hopefully, maybe this will be a bit better now. Oops. What? If I rotate it around its y-axis, it like... Is it stretching out, or is it purely just my, like, what the hell, man? I've never had this issue before. That's the scale. Look, if I do the rotation, it's like actually changed it all. Just from rotating it. And I don't know what the hell I'm doing. 5 seconds so I can actually enter the code in. Anyway, I'm missing blocks and stuff. Alright, look, it's doing it with a cube as well. Look, I've got a cube, when I rotate it, it's becoming all fucked. This is dumb, man. Alright, I've had enough of this shit. I'm gonna, fuck the sword, fuck the person. I'm just gonna have a cube for now. Because this isn't really what I wanted to be, but my attention on it. Alright, a cube, that'll do. There's my new person. Beautiful. Alright. Sort of. Sword. Yeah, beautiful. Alright. Alright, now when I want to slash it, I'm going to want to probably rotate it a bit. Let's actually go back to default start and then I'll do that. Alright. So, when I'm attacking, I'm going to want to kind of rotate it along its z-axis, slightly. And then it's going to want to kind of go like this. It's going to want to actually slash across while it's doing that rotating movement, and then it's going to go back. Transform. grab the stool at the moment. I need to adjust that. But let's just pretend it does. Whatever that does, it's going to look dumb, but I just want to see what it does. Because obviously it's... What's going on? Well, it's not even moving now. change my mind. I'm just gonna have to fucking animate this shit. It's not gonna work otherwise. I haven't used Animate in a long time. If I remember right, I think I can just do that. And then just start doing it. Oops, I don't want to do that. Maybe, so what have I got to like click over each one? What I would hope I can do, hang on. Let's delete it. I think I get it now. I think. So this is the starting position, right? And then we add this, hit record, just do something tiny. Get that, alright. Cancel that. And then if I add a key, like say over here, I think this is how it's going to work. And then hit record. I've got that one selected, so if I now move this like this, as bad as it would look, but just this is a text. Stop, now hit play. Well, it's doing it backwards, but it's doing it, it's moving. Although it's kind of moving backwards right now, which doesn't make sense. So at the start, don't know how this works. Because like, if I click this, hit record. Click here. Now. But why are they both? So it doesn't make any sense. No! I never do that. And there's a baby toy playing in the background. That's a bit annoying. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, so it's actually doing it now? Okay. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's a really bad, obviously, animation. I'm not an animator, but I'll do for now. Just to, slash. So by default, I actually don't want it to do anything. What's that folder called? Hang on. Unity play animation from. There's a folder here, like a generic one. Oh, resource. That's it. Resource. actually care about the controller. I think it's got one on it right now. I don't know if I need it for what I'm doing, because I won't be doing it for a controller. So I'll optimize it a bit later for now. Weapon animation, and then later it will be kind of like a generic animation that I'll be able to load. Animations plus. So later I'd have I'd get it from the weapon script, weapon animation. So each weapon will have their animation and damage and shizzle. But for right now it'll just be /. I'll code that. Right, check if it's worked. If not, weapon animation, then we're gonna debug. What else we're gonna play it? Animation dot. Oh, essentially, obviously, I wouldn't want to instantiate this here, but for now, animation equals. Where is it? Oh, it's from resources, so it's weapon. Weapon animation. I've already. Oh, do you know what? I think it is. I think I need the component animation. I'm guessing that's in the queue. My sword is there. So where do we care? See. I don't like that. I'll have to make that better. But if it works, it'll do for now. But I don't like that at all. Let's just try it. See if it works at least, even if I don't like it. Let's just go with it. I keep forgetting the script in between. Test it. animation sword such as by animation command good sword must be marked as legacy. We're seeing this clip here. Transfer to forward, create good sword, get component information. Okay, I mean there is another way I can do this. I didn't want to do it that way, but and that's using the controller. Which is what I may have to do.
music event. Go behind the scenes with Benny. Your favorite artists, like you've never seen them before. Released. Watch now. Only on YouTube.
It's promised, to be honest. Just make sure I was checking the right one. Oh, there we go. Should have done it before. Oh, because I'm doing it both. Okay. Because that means it's no longer moving. Oh. God, that's stupid. Because that's when it stops moving. This means it just carries on. That's probably why. If I wanted it to stop sooner, I need to change this. Music stopped. It should stop at this That's great, but I'll have to make a new one. So, fuck off. Except it's actually while doing that, I also actually maybe rotate this a little. That is pretty right. Let's say when he does it though. This fist needs to come back or it looks weird. For me, that kind of stuff. I swear I didn't change anything. Unless I accidentally deleted something. I mean, I did this, but... Something said its rotation. Well, I didn't change it. I did this. It was working at that point, so it's something else I've done. Do this maybe. Don't even matter. I've pissed it off somehow. We've got something to do with the animator because as soon as I flick it, weird. Why would the animator do that? I wasn't doing it earlier. It was fine earlier. I must have changed something here. what's inside the trigger. That'll do for today. I'm gonna go do some other bits for now. Come back to this. I'm having so much issues with this that I'll probably end up just using a rigid body because that will stop all of this movement issue. That's probably what I'll do. But I'll be back later, so don't even know if anyone's watching, but if you are, thanks for watching.